How to check copyright status including song copyright usage. To check copyright status including song copyright usage. The first step. Go to your YouTube account studio. Then click the copyright menu, which is located on the left and is given the symbol C. Then a copyright page removal request will appear. If there is no information, nothing to see yet, then your channel is still safe from claiming YouTube or third parties. Second step. Click on the content and look at the list of videos. Pay attention to the restriction description on each video you have uploaded. If the statement is none, then your video is free from claims by YouTube or third parties. In this case, you can claim the creator of the song or video content, photos, locations, or individual property belonging to others that you cannot use without permission. Third step. If in the restriction column there is a video that has the caption copyright claim, such as the following example, then you can follow the repair steps as follows. 1. Highlight on the copyright claim description. So the following information will appear. Copyright claim: your video is ineligible for monetization due to a copyright claim. Review details and dispute the claim if you believe this is an error. Revenue is held separately until a dispute is resolved. 2. Click details. A pop-up page containing the description copyright summary status will appear, along with details. In this example, the video, entitled The Miracle of the Electric Teaspoon, has a less serious impact. However, it cannot be monetized and the ad revenue will go to the songwriters. In other cases, some songwriters and official owners or music labels will block content directly if in the process of uploading videos on your YouTube channel you don't get official permission to use the song from the creator or music label. 3. Click the video timeline section to check which segment has a claim copyright. For click action and select replace song. Five. Choose music or songs in the free music library. Respect the songwriters. It doesn't matter, and instead help each other so that the ad revenue is given to songwriters. 6. Next, click add the song on the timeline marked red. Seven. If it says ready to replace song, click save. 8. Wait for a while and check again on your video list. Usually there is information checking one found and YouTube is changing songs. 9. Done. 10. Congratulations on being a YouTuber. Politely and continue to be creative.